party of the region and the party of the day and the party that can only help the government to deliver its mandate. The party ODM. Yes. Can I see members of the party ODM? Please have a stand. Yeah, this is the party of the region. We also belong. And I want to ask my colleagues to salute. This is your day. Please, you know, how you do, you know, members of ODM, you must do the salute to the commander. You salute to the commander, and we have the deputy party leader. You know how you salute to the commander? So members of ODM, salute to the commander. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But Your Excellency James, we in Kisii contemplated at one time we will unite with this region and have largely one party with the leadership of Honorable Paul Simba Arati. With that in mind, Honorable Speaker, as you told me, allow me just to allow only about 2 or 3 persons since we plan to say a word. And I will start with the member for ODM. I was thinking to have Honorable Fanis. Today, let's have a departure. Honorable Fanis, where are you? Please say a word. I wish we had 2 microphones. You want to dance sana. Say a word to the Excellency of the government. So I want to appreciate and recognize the presence of UDA, a party in this room, which have now formed the broad-based government. I want to appreciate how they have done. So UDA party together with their party whip. I saw the party whip was present. Their party whip, Honorable Boss Mairura, is present here. I saw Honorable Edina Komboka. I was making the highest relations. And I gave him a switch. Also from another member from UDA. UDA, I'm seeing Honorable Achira present here, Honorable Akombo here, and Honorable Celestine Igwari is also present. Celestine and Igwari. That's what I was saying. The two behave like they are twins. In fact, what twins? The two ladies. In medical terms, Your Excellency, we have what we call zygotic twins. Zygotic twins, someone zygotic twins are twins which are very identical, and so the 2 of them almost are very identical. Despite that the Secretary General for UPA was present here, I now want to recognize UPA as a party with the leadership led by their Secretary General. UPA, where are they? Honorable John Ombachi, present here, we recognize your presence. The Deputy Speaker, Honorable Nyams Namoita is present there. And I can also see some other hands on the back, including Honorable Damaris, Honorable your own MCA, and he's saying when you were outside there that he's sorry behind you in every aspect. And Steve Arika is also there. Steve Arika is in the housekeeping committee that was organizing these activities, and we want to appreciate the presence here. Your Excellency, almost coming to the end.